Hola a todos! Welcome back to Spanish with Patri. Today I bring you an express, really quick beginner translation challenge. How many of these sentences can you translate? Are you ready? ¡Vamos! This translation challenge is all about likes and dislikes. Before we crack on with the challenge, let's do a really quick revision on opinion phrases. Now, how do we say I love? Me encanta. I love, me encanta. I like? Me gusta. I really like? Me gusta mucho. Me flipa, we use this one to express something that is amazing. I dig at something, okay? Me flipa, it's awesome. It's a slang and it's used mostly amongst teenagers and young people. Me flipa, but it's important because we use it all the time, especially in Spain. Me flipa, me mola, it's cool. Me interesa, I am interested in. Me interesa. Prefiero, I prefer. Me da igual, me da lo mismo, I don't care. No me importa, it doesn't matter, I don't care. No me importa, it's not important to me. No me importa. The other way around would be me importa. I care about something. It's important to me. No me gusta. I don't like. No me gusta. No me gusta nada. I don't like it at all. No me gusta nada. And last but not least, odio. I hate this one. I hate odio. Now that we know all of those, I think we're ready to start with the challenge. Frase número uno. Phrase number one is I love going out with my friends. Remember, you can pause the video if you need any more time. The answer would be me encanta, I love, me encanta, going out, salir. If you've said saliendo, that's not right. Remember that we don't use the gerund in Spanish for opinion phrases. When in English we say, I love going out, in Spanish we say, I love to go out. Me encanta salir with my friends. That's the easy bit, isn't it? Con mis amigos. Número dos, number two. I really like watching TV. I really like watching TV. You got it? Me gusta mucho ver la televisión. Again, remember, not viendo, we would say I really like to watch instead of watching. Me gusta mucho ver la televisión. If you said tele instead, no problem. I don't like doing sports at all. Maybe true. I don't like doing sports at all. How would you say it? No me gusta nada hacer deportes. No me gusta nada hacer deporte. I also like swimming and dancing. También me gusta nadar y bailar. Notice that I'm using the infinitive again. Nadar y bailar. Did you get that one right? I hate playing video games. This could not be more based on me. I hate playing video games. I wish my husband could say the same. How would you say this one? Do you like it? Do you like playing video games? Odio jugar a los videojuegos. Yes, I'm using that jugar. Remember the J sound and the G sound. Jugar. Odio jugar a los videojuegos. I don't like reading either. That's not true. I don't like reading either. Tampoco. I always put that at the front. Tampoco, but you can also put it at the very end. Tampoco me gusta leer. Tampoco me gusta leer. So in Spanish, we wouldn't say I don't like, we would just say I like reading either. Tampoco me gusta leer. You don't say the don't. You don't use the negative phrase, the negative verb in that one. So if you said tampoco no me gusta leer, that would be wrong. Tampoco me gusta leer. This one was a tricky one, wasn't it? How would you say I'm interested in traveling and languages? Me interesa is a bit viajar, traveling, y los idiomas. Now, viajar, I don't put anything in front of it because it's a verb, but languages, I do need to use the article before it. Los idiomas. I wouldn't just say idiomas. It sounds a bit weird. Los idiomas. I don't care about fashion. Technically not true either. Me da igual la moda. I don't care about fashion. If you're referring to clothes, do you remember how we say clothes in Spanish? Me da igual la ropa. It's a weird one because in English we always say clothes, plural, whereas in Spanish we would always say cloth, ropa. It's always singular. I prefer eating out in restaurants. Prefiero comer fuera en restaurantes. Comer fuera, again, it sounds a bit weird to me. You can say it, but it's even better if you say prefiero ir a comer a restaurantes. Ir a comer is like the verb that we use to go out and have a meal somewhere. Ir a comer, ir a cenar. Sun is blinding me today. Oh my goodness. England is probably showing off. Never sunshine except for the days that I have to film. And the last one, la última. Come on, how are you doing so far? How many did you get? The last one would be, I dig going to the cinema, or going to the cinema amazes me. This one can have a few options. Going to the cinema is awesome. It's amazing, amazes me. Remember the slang I told you? Okay, so I would say in Spanish, ir al cine me flipa, or me flipa ir al cine. You can alter the order in there. Me flipa ir al cine. Me mola ir al cine. Me flipa, me mola. In Madrid we say mola mazo. It's really cool, mola mazo. That's slang only for Madrid, okay? Mola mazo. Me mola mazo, tío. If you enjoyed this challenge and you want to keep doing challenges, you want to keep learning with me, just remember to click that me gusta, and remember to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, so you get notified when my next challenge is up. How did you do in this one? Leave me a comment. How many did you get out of 10? Muchas gracias, chicos. Hasta luego. Adiós.